Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Opportunities. Today I am going to discuss about the Bonn SDG Fellowship Program 2021 in Germany. In this video I am going to discuss about the benefits of the fellowship program, eligibilities of the fellowship program and application process of the fellowship programs. So let's start.
If you are new in our channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. And if you are already subscribed the channel, thank you so much.
The University of Bonn has been hosting a massive program of SDG fellowship with an aim of foster joint research between professors of the University of Bonn and post-doctoral scientists in all areas of specialization and conduct research primarily on a topic addressed in the Sustainable Development Goals SDGs as set forth by the United Nations in its Agenda 2030 for Sustainable Development. The scientists should research and teach together with a professor from the University of Bonn for 1 or 2 semesters. The funding is for a period of at least 3 and not more than 12 months. The University of Bonn currently has a large number of collaboration with universities and research institutes in Africa, Asia and South America. As shown by the SDG Index, implementing the Sustainable Development Goals poses considerable challenges for many countries in this region. Based on the 17th Sustainable Development Goal, Partnership for the Goals, researchers in the above mentioned region are given preference for the Bonn SDG fellowships. The goal is to support talented researchers and build an strength network through them. Benefit of the fellowship programs. The funding can cover the following: a travel allowance depending on country of origin, a scholarship of 3,000 euros per month, additional funds for family members up to 300 euros for a spouse and 250 euros per child. A research expense allowance of up to 500 euros per month can be submitted to the international office after the fellowship has been awarded. Information on applying for the allowance will be provided with fellowship award. Insurance benefits are not included in the fellowship. It is not to be noted that international office cannot provide housing for a scholarship recipient. The funding is for a period of at least 3 and not more than 12 months. Eligibilities of the fellowship program. The selection criteria are mentioned below. The quality of the research project to be worked on during the stay in Bonn. Work on a topic that contributes the Sustainable Development Goals SDGs as set forth by the United Nations in its Agenda 2030 for Sustainable Development. Relevance of the research topic to development in the region of origin. The fellow's contribution to academic life in Bonn via public lectures, seminars or colloquiums. The fellow's integration into the host institute, place of work, integration into existing teaching and research activities. Follow on value, a plan for future collaboration project between the fellow and the host institute in Bonn. Postdoctoral scientist with foreign citizenship invited by the professor of the University of Bonn who research or teach at the university or research institute in the Africa, Asia and American region, and who can demonstrate proven expertise in an area of research from the thematic spectrum of the SDGs would remain eligible for funding. Eligible regions for the fellowship program: Africa, America and Asia. Application process of the fellowship program. Apply online through the given link. Fill up online form. Project description consisting of an outline of the research project to be worked on during the fellow's stay in Bonn. Research for the fellow's invitation and a description of his or her contribution to research and teaching at the University of Bonn. An outline of the activities through which the fellow will enrich university life at the University of Bonn during his or her stay there. An overview of the collaboration between the applicants and the fellow so far. An outline of the integration of the fellow into the host institute place of work, participation in the teaching and research activities. An outline of fellow on value, plan for the outcome of the stay, plan for growing the collaboration in the future, fellow's CV, a financing plan. You can find the official website link of the fellowship program in the description box. If you want to get more news about scholarship, fellowship, internship program like that, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.
Thanks for watching. This is Daily Opportunities and I will catch you in the next one.